Hi Drawset Cuties, Wendy here. Today we're going to draw a new version of my rainbow with clouds. So let's get started. To draw this rainbow, let's first start by drawing the clouds underneath the rainbow. So I'm going to come right here and just start with a big curve. So it's all up to you what kind of shape you want your cloud to be. It really doesn't matter. You just want it nice and fluffy. You're just going to have these big curves. And another one here. And one here, just to make it nice and fluffy and round. And let's see here. Bring this in and one more and connect it. Make that curve rounder. From there, let's go ahead and draw the other cloud. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of space and come about right here. And I'll just start with this part right here and draw another curve. About the same level, and same thing on the other side. Nice big curve. And connect. Okay, there. So we have two clouds in, and so then right in between we're going to draw the rainbow. So just using this, I'm just going to say about right here, and here is where I need to come back to. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a curve using that as my guide. And come right back. And then from there, we're going to come about right here and say about right here. So I have those points. And so I'm going to be drawing a big curve right above. So just to make it easier for me, because I'm drawing pretty big, I'm going to come to the center of my curve right here and go straight up, say about, I'm just eyeballing it, right here. I'm just going to give myself a point about right there. So it just kind of helps me, gives me a little guide, a little tip if you like, to draw a big curve. So let's go for it, right? So I'm just going to go ahead, draw a curve coming to this point right here. Okay, got one side in. Now the other side, we're going to aim for this curve right there, that point right there. So the other side's always very nerve-wracking, right? But these points definitely help if you're drawing pretty big. So right there, we did it. Yay! Okay, so now before we draw in all the different stripes, let's come to this area right here. I'm going to draw a heart. So I'm going to come about right here and just draw a heart at a slant. So I'm going to bring it about right here. Just giving myself 2 points so I know where to go, my angle, and the other side. And right back. There, now I have a heart in the rainbow. So then now, because I'm going to put 6 stripes in here, I'm going to find my center. So right there and say about right there. So that way, once again, it's a lot easier for me to figure it out. So I'm just going to try to follow the top right here of my curve. And come down. Okay, so then now I just know I'm going to draw 3 stripes in here and 3 in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that. So right here. And one last one. Oh, okay. Oh my goodness. Yes, and it's pretty off here and there, but as long as we got our 6 stripes in here, we're good. And once you color it in, it won't matter. It's gonna look awesome with all the different colors, right? But if you're using a pencil and you see anywhere you need to make adjustments, definitely do. Okay, so there. Now we have that in, and let's see here. At the bottom right here, I'm making that clouds rain a little bit here, just to make it extra pretty. So I'm going to add, see here, 1, 2, 5 of them. So I'm going to space them out pretty even. So 1 there. I'm just giving myself points. So right in the center, here and here. So by doing that, I know it's pretty even, and I can go ahead and come straight down. So this one's going to be the shortest one. It's all up to you what kind of pattern you want, but you want to stagger them. That's the goal. So this one will be longer. The bottom right here, just drawing a little drop. So then this one here would be long, maybe the longest one, and then come down, and 1 more. There. So same exact thing over here. So we're just going to find where we want to put all our points, and right in the center and in between. You can change it up so it's not so stiff. So it doesn't look exactly like the other side, but it's all up to you. That one kind of got away from me. Okay. That's all right. So this one would be a longer one as well, and the shorter one. Okay, there. So that is pretty much it for this new version of my rainbow and clouds. And of course, if you like, let's make it extra cute. And we'll do that by adding some faces in the clouds. So let's come right here. And I have to draw so cute eyes, right? Or else it wouldn't be mine. So 2 small circles here as well. And let's add 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom. And shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. And let's add a happy smile right in between. So a little curve. And kind of like a bottom of a U. And then cap off the ends. And then the curve right above each eye. And then on this side, you can make them happy eyes, nice and simple. So just come right here and draw a curve. And a smile right in the center. And I'm just going to come in here and thicken this up. And add lashes on the ends. And a curve above each eye. And that is pretty much it. I really hope you love this new version of my rainbow and clouds just as much as my old one. And thanks so much for watching, and I hope this was fun and easy for you to follow along with. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.